Hello guys, welcome to another video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a blog post. Okay, without the post written by you. I'm going to show you step by step how you can write a blog post. You don't need to write this post, but there is a software, secret software that will help you to write this content. All right, if you want to write like 3,000 words, 2,000 words, 1,500 words, this software I'm going to reveal to you will help you to write that without stress. There is no stress. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do that. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any parts in this video. So guys, without wasting time, let me go to my screen right now to show you how you can write a blog post without stress right now. All right guys, welcome back to my video. Like I said, I'll show you how to write a content without the content being written by you. Okay, even though you want to write 2,000 words, 3,000 words, or 1,500 words, okay, I'm going to show you how to do that without stress. You don't need to stress yourself writing this content. In a few minutes, like say 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you are done with this content. Then you publish it. There is no copyright in this content. All right, so follow the link below in the description of this video, okay, to get to the site. There's a link below the description of this video. Then click that link and register for this website, useanywhere.com. Okay, so here is it. So what I'll do is to start for free. Let me show you how to start for free. I have an account here already, but let me show you this one so you know how to register on this platform. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so this thing signs me in because I saved my password on my browser. That is why it automatically signed me in. Okay, but let me log out. Let me log out here so that you learn how to create an account. All right, so I'll enter my email. This is a temporary email, so I'm going to use it to register. Please, while registering, make sure you use your Gmail account, your Gmail address to register here. So I'll enter a password. Then, okay, this is for login. Sorry, let me show you how to sign up for free. So I'll click on sign up. So I'll enter my email. This is a temporary email. Then I'll enter a password. Then I'll click on sign up. It says verify your email address. We sent a verification email to this email and imputed, so click on the link inside to get started. All right, he has sent me an email, so here is the email here. I have to verify the email address before I can get started. All right, anywhere. So this is the email. It says you're almost there. Thanks for signing up. Please verify your email address to start your free trial. Okay, so I'll click on verify email. What I'm doing now is to show you how to register on this website so that you can start writing content without any stress. All right, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part so that you don't miss anything in this video. All right, so I've confirmed my email address. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on get started. All right, so it says what is your role. You can select multiple options, so I'll select copywriter, content marketer. right? And the email marketer. Okay, so click next. All right, how many people work at your company? Let me say just me. If you have more than 2 persons, you can go ahead and select it, but for the sake of this video I will select just me. So click next. So how did you hear about us? How did you hear about these people? Either Google, Facebook, other social media, ad, commended by a friend or colleague, blog or publication or other. So I'll just tick Google. Okay, don't just take our word for it. All right, so I'll click on next. I'm almost there. All right, says create your first project. Create your first project. Here are two of our most popular project types. Create your first project to get started. Facebook ad. You can use this platform to create a Facebook ad, but for the sake of this video, what I'm going to show you is how to write a blog post using this platform. This is called AI, artificial intelligence. All right, so I'll click on blog. Okay, so after clicking on blog, the next thing I'll do is to click here which says create your first project. It's loading. Alright, okay, new project blog post. Go from a blank page to a brilliant blog post in minutes. So with this platform, you can write up to 2000 words in just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. All right, so you don't need to crack your brain on this. Okay, all right, so here is the title of the blog post that we want to write. Okay, so let me enter a blog post title. Say how to make money online. Okay, then you can you select the industry. You can say marketing and advertising. All right, so you can include a keyword, but it's optional here. So I'll go ahead and click next. Click on next. It will generate the title, the outline, and the intro paragraph for you. You don't need to crack your brain on this. Okay, all right, so here is how to earn money as a stay-at-home mom. 10 surefire ways to make money online. 8 ways to make money online. 3 ways to make money online. How to make money online and 10 easy steps. All right, so I'll select this, just tick it. All right, so but if you don't like this title, you can go ahead and click generate more. For example, let me click generate more to show you how. It will generate another blog post title right now. You see 10 ways to make money online, a complete guide to making money online. So let me select this, then click next. Alright, these are the outlines that this AI brought out. So decide what you want to do. Build your website, choose a topic, write an engaging, helpful article, promote your article on social media, promote your article on Reddit, monetize your article with affiliate links and Adsense. Alright, so let me go ahead with these ones. So I'll click next. Alright, so is now here is the intro paragraph. The first one says Making money online can seem like the impossible dream, but it's surprisingly easy to do with the right strategies and advice to guide you along the way. Okay, that is the first intro. This one is one of the best ways to make money online can be broken down into one simple three-step process. First, you need to find an online business opportunity that's viable and legal. That's the second one. This third one, building an online business either as your main source of income or just a supplementary income source. That is the third one now. Okay, so let's see another one. Okay, this platform generated three intro paragraph for us. Okay, for example, let me choose the first one here. Okay, then I'll click on next. All right, this intro paragraph. So setup is complete. Now continue to editor. When I click on this continue to editor, then I'll continue to generate the blog post. Okay, if you want to generate a short or medium, even long, I'll do that. So let me go ahead and click on continue to editor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Okay, all right, so here is the intro, here is the outline. So I'm going to generate a content under this outline which says decide what you want to do. Okay, here is generated text length, medium, long and short. Okay, let me use short, then click on generate. Alright, says before you get started, it's a good idea to sit down and write out what you want your career to look like 5 years from now. Do you want to be working in an office or on the go? You can continue to generate more. Alright, says these are all important questions that will help guide your decision making process later. Alright, so let me move to outline 2, which is build your website. So I'll click on generate. Alright, it has generated this one. So let me move to another outline, which is choose a topic. So I'll click on generate. You don't need to stress yourself writing content. This platform will help you to get your content up and running. All right, so here let me move to another one. Write an engaging helpful article. So I'll click on generate. All right, so let me move to this one, which is promote your article on social media. Also click on generate. Okay, let me move to another one. Promote your article on Reddit. So I click on generate also to generate the content. These content are copyright free. Okay, there's no copyrights for this content. All right, so let me move to this one, which is monetize your article with affiliate links and Adsense. So I click on generate, which is the last one now. All right, here is the last one. Okay, this is 547 words. Look at it here. So to take this content to your blog, okay, to take this content to your blog, what I'm going to do is to copy this content right now. So how do I copy it? I'll click here. This is copy the blog post to clipboard. So I'll copy it. All right, now I'll go to my blog. All right, so I'll click on blog here, add new. All right, the complete guide to making money online is the title of this blog post. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay, and don't forget to smash on bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. All right, so I'll click here to paste the blog post. I'll press Ctrl. Okay, let me just right click, then paste. Here's the content. So I'll now type the, okay, let me also copy the outline, sorry, the headline of this blog post, then paste it here. All right, so here is it now. The next thing I'm going to do is to add a featured image on this blog. So to do that, I'll scroll down like this, then click on featured image, then select the featured image. Okay, so I can go ahead and bring picture from my desktop. Okay, for example, let me use this, then drag it to here, then put it here. There should be a network problem. There should be a network problem. That should be a network problem. So I have to select. Let me reselect it from my system. Let me reselect it. Maybe there may be a network failure. Alright, okay, it's loading. This should be a network problem. Well, let me save this as draft so that I will reload this page. So let me reload the page now. Let me reload the page. There is a network failure. Why? Sorry for the network failure. My network is somehow slow. So let me try to upload the featured image for the blog post we have generated through this okay, now let me click on post again, then set featured image. Okay, that was a network problem, so I will select this, then click on set featured image. All right, okay, now I'll click on what, publish. We are done writing the contents in just few minutes now. Okay, so let me view the content right now. Let me show you. This is just a demo blog that I'm using as for the sake of this tutorial. So guys, look at the content we generated using that AI. Okay, so you don't need to stress yourself. Look at the content here. Can you see? Look at the content here. So this is how you can write a blog post without the blog post being written by you. All right, so if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to smash on the bell icon while subscribing to my channel. Okay, if you have a question, kindly leave that question on the comment section below and I will be answering your questions there. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.